Alright, so we're back after a probably about 3-week hiatus. Went on vacation and stuff, so now we're back and we're back with Squarebody. So last time I was here, I cut all this out, and so that's where we're at. Finished this stuff up, which is what I said I'd clean up. My uncle helped me with that real quick. He came over and he gave me some insight on how to put the rocker panel in. It's being a bear. We tried to rig it up a little bit, but we can't get it past this stupid little hump right here. We can't get it to scooch up in here and attach to right here because it's that hump. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna loosen up the bolts on this fender here, these bolts, and I'm gonna try and pull it loose and pull it back enough to where I can jam this rocker back into here without taking the whole fender off, because that's the last thing I want to do, because then I got to take the hood off, I got to take the headlights out to take the fender off, and it's just, why would I want to do that, you know? So that's what we're going to do today, starting off. We're back to the Squarebody, and first thing we're going to do today is go ahead, finish up cutting out this part, the rust, and down here, because my uncle came by and he finished this part for me. I don't know if you remember, but I couldn't quite get it, but he brought his own cut-off tool and he was able to get in there better than I did. So now that that's freed up, I can go ahead and cut this part out, cut it down here, and then our cross. And after that, so we can start welding when he comes back, I'm gonna go ahead and you can see we kind of started to strip the paint away so we can start welding those pieces up as soon as possible in the near future. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna get started. Alrighty, so we got most of this rust cut out now. So now what I'm going to do is, there's another little area back here, you can tell, where it's all rusty. So I'm going to do my best and try and get that out as best I can, because I don't want that just sitting in there once I put the new rocker on. So we're going to get to that now. Alrighty, well, that's another work day in the books. Got her pretty much all done when it comes to grinding, hopefully. Completely grounded down every little thing, every edge, so that there's no paint when we try and weld here. Did all the way from back here, all the way up here, up on that little rectangle we cut out today, and all the way down here, here, across the hose, all the way through here. And on the way I straightened out, or shined up some pieces like this, and then that one too, because down here it was getting rusty, but this one's still good, so I just kept it. But all the way through here and down to here. So next step, I know I've said this for a while now, but next step should actually be welding it up this time. And I've got the spare parts under there somewhere. Trust me, they're there. But the rocker in the cab corner should be coming on here soon. That's all I've got today. See you guys next time.